Thank you, Guju Guju. It's a real honour to have traditional owners here with us this evening. People who've just come in, please come and find yourselves a seat. Don't hang back there. Everyone's welcome in the Stop Adani Alliance, and Guju Guju has kindly welcomed us in the traditional way to this country. It's now my really great pleasure to welcome our special guest to Gimoy country, the filmmaker for Guarding the Galilee, the film we're about to see tonight, has travelled up here from her home base in Sydney to present the film to us tonight. Nell Schofield is a campaigner. She's an actor and an activist who has a passion for combining creative work with political work to make the best kind of activism that we can make. Nell's a veteran of the Solar Citizens and the Lock the Gate campaign, and she's also been a journalist and worked with the ABC along with other less reputable stations. Nell is here tonight. She's now full-time with the Stop Adani campaign. Please give her a warm welcome. Nell Schofield.
Thank you, Zelda, and thank you all of you for turning out to support the Stop Adani movement. As Zelda said, this is the fight of our times. We cannot let this mine go ahead. I came up to Cairns in February to find out from locals exactly what was going on. I spoke to your MP, Rob Pine, who joins us today and who will be speaking in a panel afterwards. And he gave us some very interesting insights into the political processes that are going on behind the scenes to make this mine possible. It's been approved by federal and state governments, but what no one has expected until now is this incredible movement that is building day by day across the country. This film is being screened by about 150 community groups as we speak, and the numbers grow every day. Yay. So thank you again for coming to see it, and I really hope you enjoy Guarding the Galilee, inside the fight to stop Adani coal.
Thank you.